how to see logged in devices on Cash App. Now, over the course of time, you might have logged in your Cash App account to many devices, and if you decide that you would like to go ahead and view or even remove what kind of devices you have logged into, you can do so from your current Cash App account. So open up Cash App on the phone that you're currently using. Then after you log in, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon there, simply scroll, and here you'll find the option that says security and privacy. Just tap on security and privacy. Now you can see the option that says your devices, and here you can see the option that says view all. So I can tap on the view all button. This is my current device where my Cash App account is logged in. And on the list of other devices, you'll also see the options and other devices that are currently logged in to your Cash App account. And after you view that, you should also be able to find a cross icon next to it in order to remove those devices. This way you'll be able to view or remove logged in devices on your Cash App. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.